this is my friend Utul. So he's going to write a program for face recognition and AI. So there are some libraries which is practice to recognize faces. Now he's writing, as you can see. Now he's going to compile it. So as you can see, after compiling, a window appears. Now you can see it recognizes the face and the eyes. The green square is it detects the eyes. The blue square is it detects the face. So as you can see here, it is a 3D printer. Now we have 3D printed the text over here too. Now this is called a bed. So it is when it's getting heat up, we put some filament or known as some like red color lines. So when we insert it, so this just melts it down and just print like this. So now Utul, can you just do some moves? Oh. Now you can see that now we are calibrating this 3D printer. And this, when we check out this unit, it turned into temperature for 200 Celsius, and this gets to 50 Celsius. Now this is a calibration point. Now that is another calibration point. Over here I have drawn, which I have made it alone. So you can see these are propellers, and here is a carbon fiber chassis. So over here it is the transmitter of this drone.